Hi YouTubers, Thomas the number one engine productions here. I'm happy to announce that auditions for my upcoming series, The Adventures of Thomas and His Friends All Engines Go, are now open. Here are the characters that are available. There's quite a lot of them. I might want a big cast for this. Auditions are open until November 29. Remember to send me your auditions. I will announce the cast in December.